Do you know how to quickly share your whereabouts in any situation? I'm Kurt the CyberGuy, and our phones are already tracking our every move, so we may as well put them to good use in case of an emergency. If you need to quickly send your exact location to a friend or family member, here is how to do it. Regardless of which device you have, be sure to check your phone's settings to make sure your location services are turned on. To turn location settings on an iPhone, go to Settings, scroll down to Privacy and Security, tap Location Services, make sure that Location Services is on. For Android, go to Settings, tap Location, and make sure it's toggled on. On an iPhone, you can use Apple Maps to share your location with another iPhone user. Just open Apple Maps, tap the arrow icon to pinpoint your location, and scroll down to Share My Location. Then you can text it, email, or copy it to send to someone else. Another way to share your location between iPhone users, search their name in your contacts. Scroll down and tap Share My Location. Then choose if you want to share it indefinitely, until the end of the day, or just for an hour. If you shared a location through their contact indefinitely, go back to their contact name and tap Stop Sharing Location to no longer give them access. For sharing your location on an Android or any other smartphone, use Google Maps. Open the app and tap the icon that has your profile picture or initials. Then tap Location Sharing. You can share your location for an hour or indefinitely with your contacts through text or email. To turn this off, go back to Location Sharing under your Google Maps profile, tap their contact name, and then tap Stop. For more ways to stay protected using your tech, head to cyberguy.com and be sure to sign up for my free newsletter.